Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage style country home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage style country home decor is a fun, timeless decorating style that blends old world charm, rural simplicity, and cozy comfort. It celebrates the beauty of aged pieces, handmade details, and a lived-in, welcoming atmosphere, never polished or modern. Because you love vintage cottages and farmhouse decor, this style fits beautifully with your interest. Vintage country decor brings together rustic farmhouse roots and romantic vintage elegance. Every element feels soft, familiar, and full of character. Key characteristics: aged and time-worn furniture is distressed oak tables, farmhouse cabinets, and spindle chairs. With chipped paint, visible grain, natural imperfection. Also use antique dresser, hatches, or trunks. Use a soft earthy color palette like cream, ivory, soft white. Muted pastels like chess cream, dusty blue, peely rose. Warm neutrals, beige, oatmeal, oiled oat tones. Vintage and antique accessories: enamel art, ceramic pictures, iron lynchons, old clocks, mirrors with patina, brass or copper accents. Also use oven baskets, crates, and wooden boxes. Use cozy natural textiles like floral or gingham fabrics, linen, cotton, lace, crochet, and ticking stripes, quilts, ruffled curtains, and soft cushions. Rustic plus romantic details use exposed beams, wooden floors, lace table runners, and embroidered linens. Fresh or dried flowers in vintage vases. The overall feeling: vintage country decor feels warm and nostalgic, comfortable and inviting, peaceful and homey, unpretentious and authentic. It looks as though the home has been lovingly collected over generations, rather than decorated all at once. Where it works best: living room with farmhouse charm, cozy country kitchens, cottage-style bedrooms, entryways with antique stories. Even small homes or cottages feel larger and warmer with this style. Here is a deeper, more detailed look at vintage-style country home decor, explained in a form perfect for your love of vintage cottage and farmhouse aesthetics. Vintage country decor is not just about how a home looks, it is about how it feels. It reflects a slower, simpler way of life, where comfort, history, and everyday beauty matter most. The philosophy behind the style: this style embraces imperfection over perfection, storytelling through objects, comfort over trendiness, natural acting instead of artificial shine, scratches, faded paint, and on-aged are not flaws, they are character. Furniture style and materials: furniture is sturdy, honest, and timeless. Use solid wood tables with turned legs. Use farmhouse cupboards and open shelving. Painted furniture with distressing. Use wicker, rattan, and cane accents. Also use iron or brass hardware. Pieces often look mismatched, but that is intentional. Balance comes from similar tones, textures, and ease. Fabrics and textures: textiles bring softness to rustic spaces. Use floral, toile, and botanical prints. Gingham, ticking stripes, and checks. Use linen, cotton, muslin, and burlap. Lace trims, crochet, and embroidery. Use handmade quilt and truss. Layering these textures is key to achieving a cozy country atmosphere. Decorative elements that matter. Vintage country decor relies on meaningful, practical beauty. Use enamel bowls, old teapots, and messengers, wooden baseboards, rolling pins, and crates. Use vintage books, framed botanical prints, wall hooks, bake rails, or baskets. Use dried flowers, herbs, and greenery. Nothing feels staged. Everything feels used and loved. Lighting style. Lighting should feel soft and warm. Use fabric or plated lampshade, lantern style pendants, iron or brass wall sconces, candlelight for evening warmth, avatars, modern lighting. Warm glow is essential. How to achieve the look naturally? Mix old and new gently, never all new. Repurpose in a state of replacing. Let rooms evolve slowly over time. Display everyday items as decor. Choose comfort before appearance. Why people love this style? Vintage country decor feels intentionally comforting. Never goes out of style. Works beautifully in small spaces. Connects modern life to the past. Makes a house feel like a true home. The soul of vintage country style home decor. Vintage country decor is about emotional warmth and authenticity. It feels collected, not decorated. Every corner tells a quiet story of real life, tradition, and simple pleasures. This style often blends old farmhouse practicality, semantic vintage charm, cottage-like softness, handmade inherited character. Authentic egging and patina. True vintage country homes embraces natural egging. Faded paint in a state of fresh gloss. Softly aged on furniture. Slight rust on iron hinges. Trackings old from years of use. Artificial distressing should be subtle. Real wire always looks softer and more livable. Decorative styling philosophy. Styling is gentle and thoughtful, never cluttered. Fewer items, but meaningful ones. Objects grouped in odd numbers. Balance rustic pieces with soft fabrics. Liberating a space on shelves. Empty space is part of the design. It allows vintage pieces to shine. Storage as decor. In vintage country style, storage is beautiful. Open shelves in a state of closed cabinets, crocks for utensils, or baskets for linens, wooden crates for books or product, antique cupboards with glass doors. Everything is visible, accessible, and charming. Next, walls, floors, and architectural details. First, walls. Use soft, whitewash, cream, or pale colors. Zip-lap baseboard and subtle paneling. Use botanical prints, old family photos, and mirrors. For floors, use natural wood, slightly worn, stone or brick in kitchens or entryways. Layered rugs like beaded jute and faded floral. Ceiling, exposed beams or painted wood. Simple ceiling melodians in older homes. Nature is a design element. Nature is always present. Fresh flowers from the garden. Use dried lavender, wheat, or eucalyptus. Potted herbs on windowsills. Branches in stone or ceramic jars. This connection to nature keeps the home feeling alive and peaceful. Vintage country has modern life. This style adapts beautifully to modern living. Modern appliances hidden behind vintage styling. Neutral backdrops with antique accents. Old furniture repurposed for new uses. Comfortable, sacrificed for looks. It is nostalgic but practical. Emotional experience of the space. A vintage country home feels calm and grounding, safe and familiar, gently nostalgic, warm and welcoming, timeless and solo-packed. It encourages rest, conversation, and simple daily rituals. tricks to avoid: over decorating with too many small items, using overly bright or modern colors, matching everything too perfectly, buying all new vintage at once, forgetting comfort in setting and layout. Imperfection is what makes this style perfect. Let's go even deeper into vintage style country home decor, focusing on finer details that truly elevate this style from pretty to soulful and timeless, something I know you genuinely appreciate. Vintage country decor is built on gentle layers, not bold statement. It grows naturally over time and feels personal, comforting, and quietly elegant. This style values solid decorating, not instant results. Emotional connection to objects, beauty in usefulness, heritage inspired living. Crowded imperfection, not clutter. A true vintage country home makes eras like Victorian, early farmhouse, and cottage, avoids perfect symmetry, allows visual softness, leaves rooms for egging and change. Each item should feel chosen, not crowded. Textile layering, the heart of cozy. Layering fabrics is essential. Lace contained over simple cotton panels is quilt fitted at the foot of beds. Linen tablecloths with crochet runners, cushions in mixed florals and stripes. Textures create warmth without overwhelming the space. Furniture placement and flow. Vintage country homes prioritize comfort and conversation. Sofas and chairs facing each other. Tiny tables placed near windows. Rocking chairs or benches in quiet corners. Furniture pulled slightly away from walls. The room should invite people to sit, stay, and relax. Scents and atmosphere, often overlooked. Atmosphere goes beyond visuals, beeswax or soy candles. Use scents like lavender, vanilla, April, linden, fresh bread, herbs, or flowers. These sensory details complete the country experience. Seasonal decorating, very important. Winters country decor changes gently with seasons. Spring, use florals, light linens, and soft pastels. For summer, use cotton, baskets, and greenery. For autumn, use warm wood, pumpkins, and muted tones. For winter, use quilts, candles, antique metals. Decor rotates, not replace. Small homes and cottages advantage. This style shines in small spaces. Use open shelving makes rooms feel airy. Light colors reflect warmth. Multi-purpose antique furniture. Use visual softness reduce clutter stress. Even modest homes feel rich in character. The emotional reasons people choose this style. People fall in love with vintage country decor because it feels safe and familiar. It reduces visual noise. It connects past and present. It encourages solo living. It never feels outdated. It is a lifestyle, not just a design choice. A simple rule to remember: if it looks too new, too shiny, or too perfect, soften it. Add fabrics, age, texture, or history. Vintage country decor as a lifestyle. This style reflects how you live, not just how you decorate. Solar mornings, softer lighting, handmade items used daily, rooms designed for comfort, not display, a sense of calm and familiarity. The home feels lived in, loved, and gently evolving. Mixing old, new, and handmade the right way. True vintage country homes never feel like museums. On antique statement page per room. Supporting features can be simple or newer. Handmade items like crochet pottery and wood. Praise old and new. Keep finishes in the same warmth level. Balance prevents the space from feeling heavy. Wood finishes and tree in harmony. Wood is essential, but variety matters. Mix painted and raw wood. Combine oak, pine, and reclaimed timber. Keep undertones consistent. All owned, not mixed. Warm or cool. Let wood show age and grain. Avoid matching furniture sets. Wall styling. Bar pictures. Painters country walls feel soft and personal. Laid frames on shelves. A small gallery cluster, not large crates. Hanging plates or baskets. Pick rails with hats, aprons, or linens. Walls are practical and decorative. Everyday objects as art. The most authentic spaces display useful items like wooden spoons in crocks, linen towels on hooks, breadboard, neon thickness back glasses, teacups on open shelves. Nothing is only for show. The importance of time. Painters decor connected by rust. Add peaches slowly, allows room to change naturally. Let wear and use enhance beauty. Edit occasionally, not consistently. Time is a design tool. Why this style always enters? Vintage style decor remains timeless because it is emotionally comforting. It adapts to modern life. It honors craftsmanship. It never relies on trends. It grows more beautiful with age, just like the peaches within it. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.